G'day, it's TimWanderer. Third week consecutively we had good weather on the weekend and we're heading out. This time to Measure Mile and Four Beacons again. But I'm trying out a new boat ramp for the first time at Pelican Park, which is just outside Redcliffe. You can see the bridge behind me. Today we're chasing for mackerels because the season's closure is over last Wednesday. So yeah, come and join us. You done the crab pots?
No space.
Sun is about up. That's good. I like this. Alright, so it's 5:20 and we're out in the bay already, well in the water already. We're just gonna try and drop some crab pots along here somewhere. If you want to find out where we drop our crab pots, make sure you watch till the end of the video. Sun's up. Approaching. Okay, this is Measure Mile. There's about 3 boats there. There were no signs of any bait at Measure Miles. There were no bites at all. So we decided to fish at the shipping channel instead. Trolling. We also throw our lures for a good 20 minutes at around 6 knots to see if we catch any big fish like Spanish mackerels. Got nothing. Or at least we'll try. It's the first time trolling. Oh!
Oh, nice. Oh.
That's what we want. Uh-oh. Doesn't look that lively. How many do you need?
I want them all.
Oh, gone. The stupid dolphin. Yes. Look, it was 3 gang hook, now become 1. Maybe I'm just not used to how heavy this is. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Moses bird!
Moses! That could be a keeper.
What was it? 25?
Yeah. See? That's probably what's been catching the bloody...
Yeah, that's the keeper. Oh my god, and he's got another fish in there.
Oh.
That's not mine.
Yeah.
That is 25. We've been told before that if there are any dolphins around, there are usually no big fish. That didn't stop us from fishing on that spot though. Oh, he's picky. They're fish, but they're not biting. Well, let's try the other 4 beacons, the tripod. Yeah, definitely bait ball. Yep.
Oh. Yeah, I think so. I think this time, yes.
I don't think it's a bait fish. Or maybe like a Christmas tree. 1. All that for 1. See that? That's Moreton Island. We're only like, I don't know, like less than a click away. Just last year, September, school holiday, yeah, we stay over there for a week. We did snorkeling, 4-wheel drive and all. If you're interested, here's a link. All right, that's a fish.
Yeah, you got one. Okay.
I think the dolphin hooked it. Oh my gosh, they ate it. Lots of activities here, and you can see it's all bait fish, but there's no predator fish beside dolphin. All right, no fish today. Well, actually lots of fish, just not the right one. Bait, lots of bait. It's only 10:30 or 10:46, but we're going to do a slow tro back to closer to town, so hopefully we get some, I don't know, marlin, mahi. We could see on the sounder that there were big fish just under the surface. Come on, take it! But they were not interested in our lures. It's glasses. Yeah, see how good is that? Yep. It's on neutral. There you go on. Crab, 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 crab,
Crab? Crab? Yes, crab. Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes. Oh, female.
That is that a female?
No, this one is.
Oh, that's too small anyway.
Use this on top of that. Oh man.
Easy.
Oh, go away. Is that okay? Cool.
Easy.
Easy. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh.
Come on. Ooh, 大隻. Wow.
That's a girl.
Yeah.
That's a boy.
I think 2 keepers.
More than enough. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
It's cute.
Wait. Sideways. Yep. Notch to notch. Easy. Oh yeah, that's way small. Okay, that goes back in. Yep.
Bye bye.
The rest just turn it upside down. Oh yes.
It's a big one.
Where did it go? Oh yeah.
Big
Boy
one.
as well.
Whoa. Fish monster.
I got him. Oh, I need this. Yes. Yeah. That's easy.
Oh yeah.
So we didn't catch any big fish or mackerel, but at least we got a little tiny little feed of sand crabs. They're all bugs, all legal size. We checked them all. We did lose a pot, but I don't think it's intentional. Probably someone cut it with a... Oh, that looks weird. What is that? See you later.
That's definitely it.
Come on, chuck him back in. Okay, so anyway, if you enjoy the video, can you hit the like, share and subscribe and the bell buttons, please? It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye.